million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey sis, what you doing? Okay, I'm back with some drip that I'm super excited about because, you know, I love bringing y'all new stuff, fresh stuff to the channel, trying something new. So a company reached out to me and asked me could they send me a braid wig. And y'all know I straight up told them, I was like, okay, you can, but understand I'm a beginner, so it got to be beginner friendly. So the company that sent us a braid wig, which I'm super excited about because it is so pretty. It's by the Braid Factory, okay? And it comes in this little sack. And actually, it shows you how you can find them online, the Braid Factory, thebraidfactoryng.com, okay? They have their email address on here, and they have an Instagram. But look in the description box. I'll be sure to put all that in the description box. So it came in this little satin pouch. Y'all, I'm so excited. Out of all the wigs I'm reviewing this weekend, this is the one I'm probably the most excited about. Y'all, this junk looks so good. Y'all look. Y'all look at that. Okay. Okay, let me do the cap construction first. Shut up, girl. Okay. So it comes on this cap, okay? And that's how the cap is made. That makes it appear to be very breathable, okay? And then the front of the cap is made with lace all around that front, okay? So if we look at the actual braids themselves, y'all, I'm shook that this is a wig, okay? Because, honey, this is cute, okay? All right. So I pulled it up and half down so you can see that there are braids that are going up into a high pony in case you want to do a bun, and then those braids going down. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? And of course, it has this braid around the perimeter that I'm going to unbraid. That's to lay down baby hairs on the unit, y'all. And then it has baby hairs on the side for you to do as well. Y'all, look at the craftsmanship on this. Y'all. I'm excited to see what it do, okay? And like I said, let me pull all of them up. Okay, there's the back. So if you pull it up into a high bun or a pony, look at that. Y'all, look at that. The Braid Factory, okay? What I am going to do, I'm going to plop it on my head before I cut off the legs, before I lay down the baby hairs, so you guys can see what it looks like. But I actually need to pull this up. I'm going to pull this up in the ponytail so I can keep those braids separated. Shut up, girl. You ain't got nothing to do. Shut up. Hold on, girl. Let me grab it. I just need a little hair tie. I'm coming right back. Okay, here I am. I just had to grab a hair tie. Okay, and this ponytail probably finna be crooked. It'll just help me that when I actually do cut off the lace to see. Okay. Okay, and let me tell you why I appreciate this wig. I've always wanted to get my hair braided, but I'm the type of person that I won't want braids for too long. Like, I would get my hair braided and sit in that chair for hours and then want to change my hair the next day, and I can't because it's so expensive. A wig like this from the Braid Factory will allow you to have braids 1 second, and literally the next second you can take it off. Let me put it on my head. I'm not going to put on a stocking cap or anything because I just want y'all to see it straight out of the pack. I don't know what type of cap this is, but I will say that cap feels really flush to my little bald head. Y'all look at that. Told y'all I was gonna make that ponytail crooked. Y'all look at that. You not gonna be able to tell me once I cut that lace off and stuff that these braids ain't coming out my darn scalp. There it is again, up close. Let me go cut off this lace. I'm so excited. Let me go cut off this lace, put this in a bun and all that good jazz. I'll come back with my final thoughts. Y'all, I am absolutely, positively in love with this wig. I didn't even put any powder on there. I still don't have a stocking cap. If I went through and put some powder, those small grooves that you do see will go away. But look at the detailing on that, y'all. Okay, y'all know I just pushed them baby hairs out the way. Honestly, there ain't number water I did to try to slick them down. But that's beside the point. Look at the wig. Y'all, I'm feeling like a full snack, a name brand snack. I'm a Star Crunch. I'm a Twinkie. That's what I feel like in this wig. Y'all, this wig is bomb.com. The quality on this wig, the craftsmanship, unmatched. Okay. And like I say, a lot of the companies that I work with, they make braided wigs, but I'm going to be honest, I stay away from them because no, this one by the Braid Factory is a must-have, y'all. I want to say they gave me a discount code or there's a sale. No, she's running a sale. And I want to say it starts sometime in February. Because we were talking via email. I'll put all that in the description box. So be sure to check this wig out. And like I said, it's going on sale in February. But y'all, I'm absolutely in love with this. Y'all, this is so cute. The craftsmanship on this is unmatched. Like I said, do I recommend this one? I definitely recommend this one. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Keisha. I don't know. Maybe it's your cousin Kevin. Keisha or Kevin can put on this wig, honey. And who gonna check them? Nobody. This wig is bomb.com. I definitely recommend. One of my most favorite braided wigs that I've ever had. The color, like, look at the detail, the color and all that, y'all. This one is a winner chicken dinner. Definitely recommend. Okay, y'all ignore my baby hairs. Y'all know I can't do that. Shut up. You'll make them look better. But I'm a wear just like this, the Winn-Dixie. And who gonna say something to me? Nobody. Thank you so much for sending this wig out, Braid Factory. Until next time, y'all, which will be extremely soon. Bye, guys.